Welcome back to look number 3 using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Eyeshadow Palette. I cannot express how much I am literally loving this palette right now. And I have so many ideas for looks for you guys. You'll just have to stay tuned. This is look number 3, like I said, and it is just a pink cut crease. It was literally what I was in the mood for this day, and I think it turned out great, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Thank you, Christy, again for the palette. First, we're going to start by priming our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and first up from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette, we're going to be taking Good Morning, and I am going to pop that in the crease on a nice big fluffy blending brush to disperse color evenly, quickly, and into a large space. So next up we're using Raspberry, which is a phenomenal shade, and I absolutely love this. This is going in the outer corner and in the crease area right on top of Good Morning on a slightly smaller fluffy blending crease brush. So we're just going to build that up slowly. These shades are so pigmented, but I say this all the time, I personally like to build the shade up. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just building that up, and can you believe little to no fallout with this eyeshadow palette? And I literally love how as soon as I decided to do this voiceover, the neighbor starts mowing. So we'll just have to ignore that. Yes. So we're gonna cut the crease with the Amuse 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm just applying that to the lid and kind of looking up and stamping that up on the crease area, and that's going to give us our crease line. Now, as soon as we blend our concealer out, we are going to be picking up Snack, which is the prettiest shimmery pink I have ever used. It is fantastic. It is so pigmented, and normally I do not like pinks on my eyes, but this look just turned out so great in my opinion, and I am just loving it. This eyeshadow palette, like, thank you so much, Christy, for sending me this palette, and this is worth every penny. Yes, so we're just doing a bit of blending. We're going to reinforce that crease line a bit. Blend, blend, blend. And yeah, our look is almost done at this point. Very simple, easy kind of look. And we're going to be taking a Virgin, and I said this in my last 2 videos, literally the best white I've ever used as well. I'm blown away with the quality and the just greatness of this eyeshadow palette. It's awesome. So yeah, we're just going to be blending those together, meshing them into one seamless shade there. And we're going to be taking Raspberry on our lower lash line, and I brought it down a bit lower than I normally would on some looks. I just really wanted it to be very potent and bam in your face. We're using this Jordana Black Point eyeliner pencil, eyeliner pencil, and NYX Jumbo pencil in the waterline, and I'm using the Lash Adhesive from Kiss and the Broadway FLIRTY style eyelashes, and I usually do a thin line of black liquid liner, but today I wanted to try something different, and I actually like how the lashes look without all the black eyeliner. So I curled my lashes into the false lashes, and now I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude mascara and further meshing my real lashes with the false eyelashes. And I think from now on I'm just going to skip out on the black eyeliner unless the false lashes have a thick band. The lipstick is 905D from WetnWild. Very beautiful pink lipstick, bam, bright in your face. And this is the Believe Beauty setting spray, which I'm really loving at the moment, and my fan. And this is like one of the greatest things I've ever picked up at the Dollar Tree. And here's our finished look, and look how green those eyes are. I love how this makes my eyes pop. I love everything about this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love how easy this look was to accomplish as well. I hope you guys will definitely try it out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more Jeffree Star Jawbreaker tutorials. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and product list. And thank you guys always for watching.